Okay, land. I was going to try to land out there too, but I don't know it. But that's what we're facing.
Yeah, keep going and moving fast, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going what? It's 5 still. 5 miles an hour is a pretty good little bump, so I don't think we'll. Well, we might do it just to slow down or to lengthen our flight a little bit. Maybe give the wind a chance to slow down a little bit for us. But he hit, like I say, don't need to blow us up over here. Yeah. Well, we're still 5, 6. He's along here, y'all. We're about 7 miles an hour. That's blistering for a balloon.
Saying they don't issue.
Every day might be the